How to install Talkie Soulful AI on your Android device. First thing you have to do is head over to your Google Play Store. Or if you're using an iOS device, you could open up your App Store. And then from here, you're going to have to simply go ahead and search for Soulful AI. So go ahead and search for Talkie. Tap on the search bar and then type in Talkie AI. Hit enter, and here you'll be able to see this right here. Now scroll down. If you want to know more about this app, you could just scroll down and tap on about app, and then you'll be able to see more information about this app right here. As you can see, this is quite a popular app which has 10 million plus downloads on Play Store and has almost 5-star reviews, has over 400,000 reviews as well. In order to install this, click on install and it will start installing on your device. And if you want to remotely install on your other device that's connected to your account, you could do that as well from here. And that's how you easily install Soulful AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.